Every bike has a chain. It stains, rusts, falls off and breaks. What if we replace the chain with a revolutionary Shaftdrive system? Equipped it with smart sensors and control system. Boosted with electric power. Creating a new cycling experience. Easier. Effortless riding across different terrains. Safer. Protects you when making a turn. Quick click folds within 15 seconds. Breaking conventions for a safe, fun-filled cycling experience. Shaftdrive system. No chain, no fuss. Honbike.